Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn fourth lesson of the first unit of 10th standard English subject. I am Mr. Agrawal Pawan Kumar, your English teacher, assistant teacher at SNJB High School, Chanwad. Today we are going to learn the lesson Be Smart. Be smart means how should we become a smart, intelligent person. First, we are going to learn the warming up activities, the chit chat questions. Planning your career is not an easy task. Planning our career is a very, very difficult task. It is not a very easy task. But we can reduce the distress by making a proper choice. We want to make a proper choice of our career, but it is very, very difficult. If we do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. If we choose a right career, then our journey becomes very smooth. We got the success in our life. The following diagram shows important factors to be considered while choosing a career. Discuss with a group which factors you regard as important. In the following diagram, there are some important factors to choose a career. We must focus on these points to choose our career. The first very, very important point to choose our career is the skills. Skills means, yes, kaushalya. Skills means kaushalya. We must have the skills in that career to choose that career. For example, Sachin Tendulkar was failed in SSC in 10th exam. But what was his skills? Yes, his skill is in the cricket. So he chose the cricket as his career and he achieved the great success. The second point is interest. We must have interest in that field, in that career. Next point is ability. We have abilities to do the task. Then personality traits. Our personality also match to that career. Demand. And we choose the career. But what is the demand of that career? It is also very, very important. Financial gains. And to choose the career which what did we gain? We gain finance. So financial gain is also very, very important. And one more thing is very important, friends. It is family profession. If it is our family profession, then it is very, very easy to complete that career. For example, the son or daughter of a actor or actress, if they choose the career of actor or actress, then it is very easy for them. The career of businessman is very easy for the son and daughters of Mukesh Ambani because it is their family profession. And the last point is future prospects. Which career we choose? It must have the future prospects, future importance. Okay, friends? Now we can see what is an acrostic. What is an acrostic? An acrostic is a form of writing where the first letters in each of the lines forms another word. For example, friend. And look at the acrostic of friend. Look at the acrostic of friend. Yes, faithful, respectable, inspiring, encouraging, noble, dependable, friend. F for faithful, R for respectable, I for inspiring, E for encouraging, N for noble, D for dependable. Prepare on your own such acrostics for your dearest family member. Name of your best friend, a quality or feeling, any profession. So, friends, we can make the acrostic of our friend. The acrostic of our friend. Look at here, students. This is the acrostic of, suppose the friend, my friend is Ganesh. So I make the acrostic of Ganesh. G for great, A for ambitious, N for naughty, E for energetic, S for strong, and H for honest. Here is another acrostic of a teacher. T for talented, E for energetic, A for able to teach, C for caring, H for helping, E for encouraging, and R for royal personality. This is the acrostic of a teacher. Now look at, friends, the question number 3. What is it? Say whether the underlined words in the following sentences are used as a noun or verb or adjective. Look at, friends, and say the underlined word is as a noun or as a verb or as a adjective. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. And the underlined word is walk. So, dear friends, here walk is a, yes, very good. It is a verb. I go for a walk every day. I go for a walk every day. Here the underlined word walk is a, yes, very good. It is a noun. They gave me a gift every day. They gave me a gift every day. The underlined word is gift. And it is a, yes, very good. It is a noun. You can gift her a story book. You can gift her a story book. And the underlined word gift is, yes, it is a verb. It was sold as a gift pack. It was sold as a gift pack. Here the gift is adjective because gift describes the noun pack. So gift is a adjective. They bought a new house on the 10th street. They bought a new house on the 10th street. Here new is an adjective because it gives more information about the house. So new is a adjective. The water tanks leak a lot. The water tanks leak a lot. Leak is a, yes, very good. It is a verb. The old age home houses 100 aging and homeless people. Here houses is, yes, it is a noun. Now friends, look at these answers. Yes, look at this. I walk to school every day. Here walk is a verb. I go for a walk every day. Here walk is a noun. They gave me a gift every day. Here gift is a noun. You can gift her a storybook. Here, gift is a verb. I was sold as gift pack. Here, gift is a adjective. They bought a new house on the 10th street. Here, new is a adjective. The water tank leak a lot. Here, leak is a verb. The old age home houses, 100 aging and homeless people. Here, houses is a noun. Yes. So, dear friend, today we can learn the chit chat activities of Be Smart. Okay, friend, have a nice day. Goodbye.